What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can add any other tank into the cheat menu for Men of War Assault Squad 2. Now, this could be mod tanks or I guess any other tanks in the game that aren't in the menu. And so what we can do is open up your file, okay, and go to this PC, and it'll be local disk. You can go to program files. That's where it all is. You can find Steam, double click on it. You find Steam apps, double click on that too. Common, and then you find Men of War Assault Squad. Double click on that. Mods, then you find the cheat mod that you're using. Now, I'm using Cheatsmods Enhanced because that's the most recent version of it. Then you do resource, map, cheats mod, and cheats. Now, you want to open with Notepad, unless you have some kind of other editing app. Notepad it's the best. It's what I use. So you just click on Notepad and press OK. Now, you have all of this information, and it's a lot. And I know this looks intimidating. It is, but it is not hard. It's not hard to do. I don't know any coding language whatsoever, but the instructions in the thread were pretty easy to understand, despite me messing up a few times and whatnot. But it's super easy. Now, let's find the mod that I'm going to be adding tanks in. So, the mod I'm going to be using is the Tanks Plus 2.0. We go to, I think, resource, and then entity. Nope. Is it Tanks Plus? It is not. Okay, not Tanks Plus. Where is it at? Nope. It might be localization mod. Here we go. Yeah. So these are all the information, like all the names of the tanks, and usually the mod I'm using will have the information folder like this. I don't know about any others. But one thing you can also do is you can go up into play and then select editor and load an editor, and it'll boot up the game. Just wait a second. Now, this is the mod I have, Tanks Plus. I don't know how to use editor at all. It's a pain in the ass. But here we go. IS7. You know, this is a tank that I'll be adding in today. The IS7. It's the one I'll show you guys how to add in. And so literally it's just this name. It goes by IS uncapitalized and then 7. That's literally it. And so you will usually be able to find whatever mods you have enabled in editor. But if they aren't, then if they aren't in the editor, then you probably don't have the mod enabled on the base game. And one thing you can do is just go play Men of War Assault Squad 2, load it up. La di da da da. Wait for it to go. Boom. And then go to options. Workshop, you can kind of see what mods you have on here. And then mods. So I have Cheatsmods Enhanced, Tank Towing 2.0, and Implement Tank Pack number 1. Ultimate Tank Pack number 1 is part of Cheatsmod Enhanced. It's a separate mod that just adds in little bonus tanks. And it has a whole separate menu as well. Okay, so this is the mod I have in, and you see if I didn't have this enabled, I wouldn't be able to see the tanks in editor. So if you can't see the tanks in editor or anywhere else, either you don't have the mod installed or you don't have it enabled. And you can just scroll through here, find the mod name, press this arrow, and whatever. And so let's get to why you guys are here. Okay, now I am going to be adding the S7. So this is a little hard to navigate because there's just so much. So Control F. Control F is what I use to navigate this. And so what we're looking for is, I think cheats. What is it? What is it called? Here, we'll just look for the IS3. There we go. Now find the IS3. Oh, it's the IS3. Oh, good lord. Where is it? Is it -3? Yep, there we go. Okay. Yep, so the IS3, and you want to scroll all the way down until you find the last heavy one. Scroll all the way down. See, I'm adding an IS7, which is a heavy tank. And so we're going to add it in the heavy mod list. Now, this is 8. So we're going to copy this. Oh, do not cut. No, copy. Find this last little bracket here, press enter, and then Control V or paste. There you go. Now, you just have to tab this over, and then you just literally just select this, backspace, and enter the name of the tank you want to enter, or of what you want to put in the menu. And so, I already have the name over here. It's just IS7 uncapitalized, so we're just going to put in IS7. Okay. And then we're going to change this to IS-7. And then image, we'll just change to IS7. There we go. So this is all this done. And then this, you don't afraid to do this. Change. You see how this is 8? 7, 8? Change this to 9. And then that way you won't, if you kept it at 8, that way when you try to spawn this tank, it won't just spawn an ISU-122. It'll spawn the IS-7 or whatever you're putting in. And so now this is the first part done. Here comes the little, it's a little bit more complicated and intimidating, but it's so easy. Now we go IS-3, we're gonna change this to, what is it? Let's do the ISU-122. There we go. Now we're all the way down here at the ISU-122. Here we go. This is what actually spawns the tank. So you just want to select up to here, the cheats, all the way down to the next one, but don't select it. Now, copy, don't cut, enter at the bracket, and then Control V or paste. Now, you have this, pretty much a duplicate of the IC122 code. So you just tab this over, and then you change all of things that say 8 to number 9. So change this to 9, change this to 9, change, what else? Change the IC122 to the tank you're adding in, to the IS-7. Now, to number 9, to number 9. And that's literally it. It's so easy. And you save it. I'm going to keep this open. You play it. Play Man of War. I load it up. I'll show you guys. Okay. Single player. Selecting mission. Soviet Union. And we'll just do, I guess, Leningrad. And so, when I open the menu, go to Russian Heavy, the I-7 should be there. And when I spawn it in,
Major, today we have a huge task ahead of
spawn,
us. Your objective is to defend the outskirts of
tanks,
Leningrad from a German
click it
armored
over
counteroffensive.
to Russian, open up the menu, and here it is, the I-7. Guys, it is so easy. And yeah, it's a little intimidating, but it's not hard. It really is. You just gotta be careful you don't mess any other settings up or any of the code, the menus, and you're fine. You're perfect. And so, incredible how easy this is. And it's literally it. And I'll show you some other ones I have in too. Like we'll go to
This convoy contains a special tank. We should try
here.
and recover this
I
tank
added
to
in
ensure victory.
the 215, the 183, and go back to Germany, and the E25. Literally, it's super easy to do. It's not hard at all. But of course, there are going to be a little confusion. Um, there's almost no way to explain something in the best way possible. And so if there are any confusion or any issues, please let me know, and I'll get back to you. Like, I'll make another video or something specifying, and I don't know. Just let me know, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.